Hello students, welcome to the SourceBoard learning sections on topic more and less for class nursery and LKG student. SourceBoard is one of the leading names, help students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skill. Let's start. Today we will learn about more and less. More and less. Now, students, have you seen the picture? Yes. Now this is a picture of pair. There is only one pair. And here 3 pairs are there. Correct? 3 pairs are there. So which is more? Yes. This is more and this one is less. Now come to the next picture. Here how many apples are there? 1, 2. And in this picture 1, 2, 3. So which side has more apples? This is more. This is more because there more numbers of apples are there. And here is less, fewer apples. Correct? Now come to the next slide. Okay. Now what is given here? Tick the group which has lesser number of objects. So in this picture, in this page, we have to take that picture which has lesser. Now in these two groups, in the first row, ball and bats. Balls and bats are given. So let me see which has lesser one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is 4 balls. And how many? 1, 2, 3. Here it is 3 bats. So which one has lesser? Yes, this one. Now come to the next part. Now in this group, now how many buckets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this picture side, how many baskets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which group has lesser? Yes, correct. This one. Now let's say how many puppies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 puppies are there. And how many deers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which is more and which is less? Yes, puppies are more and deers are less. So I will take deers. Now come to the burger. How many burgers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now come to the ice cream cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which part has less? Burger. Burger is less. So come. Now is it okay, beta? Is it okay, student? Now come to the next slide. In this picture, you have to identify the lesser number of items. Correct? Now, in the first group, here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, which one is less? Yes, this side. So, I will circle that. Now, come to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3. So, this side less. Now, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, less. Now, here is also 3. Here is also 3. So, both are equal. Now come to the next slide. Tick the group which has lesser number of objects. So let's start doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it lesser? Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side is 5 and this side is 4. So yes, this one is less. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it is 8. Now come to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is 7. So which one is lesser? Yes, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it is 9 and here it is 8. So which one is less? Yes, this one. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples are there. And let's say how many cherries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which one is less? Yes, apple is less in amount. Come to next slide. Now circle the group that has more. Till where you were doing lesser amount object. Now you will do more object. Now let's see how to do. Now let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 5. And 1, 2. Here it is 2. So which one has more? Yes. Come to next picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 5 balls. And how many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which part has more? Yes. Come to this picture. How many cycles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, 6 cycles is more than 4 cycles. Now come to this picture. How many cards are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many cards are here? 1, 2. So yes, this side has more. So I completed this page also. Come to next page. More, less and equal. Count the object, circle the set that has fewer. Now you have to count the object first. Which has fewer, which object has few in number, you have to circle. How many bugs are there? This is beetle bugs, isn't it? Yeah, and these are leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are there? 5. And how many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 leaves are there. So here, how many? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. And how many leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have counted. Yes. Now circle the set that has fewer. So 5 is less or 7? Yes, 5. So I have to circle this set. I come to the next picture, next part. Count the object, circle the set that has more. Let's count how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 apples. How many pieces of watermelons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which one has more in number? The apples are more in number. So I circle. Hope student you have enjoyed and understood. Next day I will come with another topic. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.